Marketing planning process. Step-by-step business market to decide how to sell and promote its product or services. It, in a simple meaning, planning what to do to attract and keep customers, step by step. And situation analysis. This is when a business studies its current situation in the market. Binabase niya kung anong mga current situation ng kanyang current situation ng market, like the business itself, customers, competitors, and others.
So good day, teacher. Today we'll talk about the implementation control. What is the implementation? Implementation means putting a plan into action. For example, turning ideas, politics, or strategies into a real action. If the government creates a law about free healthcare, implementation is the actual process of building clinics, hiring, working, and delivering service. And what is the meaning of control? Control means monitoring, guiding, and replicating a process to make sure everything goes the way it should. For example, if a program is being implemented, control means checking if it is effective, correcting mistakes, or improving the system. In short, the implementation doing a plan, and control check and making sure that plan is done correctly, or balikon nimo kung sa Bisaya, balikon nimo para kung okay na ba ang plano sa control. And thank you for listening.